My name is Sean Dykes. I am the President and Chief Executive Officer of American CuMo Mining Corporation, a company that trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under the symbol MLY and trades in the United States on the over-the-counter market under the symbol MLYCF. The company is currently developing the largest molybdenum deposit in the world, located in Idaho, approximately 35 miles northeast of the city of Boise. In addition to being the largest, it is potentially the lowest cost primary molybdenum producer due to the large amounts of copper, silver, and uranium byproducts within the deposit. This is a major milestone in the development of the company. Bottom line is that this deal provides for $200 million in financing in exchange for an 80% interest in the gold project that we just recently announced and a 20% interest in our large CuMo project. This deal is part of our larger financial package that we have been negotiating with our Chinese partners since we signed the Memorandum of Understanding in June of this year. The deal provides for $100 million in financing to the gold project that we just recently announced and $100 million in financing to our large CuMo project without any dilution to the shareholders of American CuMo. Well, this deal established a value for the company. We're getting $100 million for a 17% interest in the company. That means that the remaining 80% interest in the CuMo project is worth approximately $400 million. We currently have 130 million shares outstanding in the company. That means that we have an asset value of approximately $3 per share. That creates a huge opportunity for investors to come into the company. Well, as a result of the deal and the amount of money involved, we're going to have several catalysts over the next several months. Initially, we are starting next week with a visit. There's a Chinese delegation coming to Idaho. We're giving them a tour of the property, and basically they're going to meet the local politicians all the way up to the governor of Idaho. After that, starting in the new year, we'll have the results of our ore sorting calibration analysis, which will be then put into a brand new updated economic analysis. Following that, at the same time, we'll be working on the permits for the gold project and also on the final permits for the CuMo project, so we're allowed to drill and complete the work required to move both projects to feasibility as soon as possible. One of the most critical points that I would make to investors investing in the mining market is that when you have to look at what is costs to produce a product versus what you get for that product. That creates a ratio of revenue over cost. And what you always want to invest in is look for the mines or the projects or the deposits that are potentially low-cost producers. That means those are the ones that are going to make money in any markets, especially given that the markets are cyclical in nature, and therefore you want to have those investments survive the downturns. And so look for the bargains. During the current time period, we're just coming out of the bottom of the market, so the timing is absolutely perfect to pick the right stocks. Don't get hung up on the hot metal of the month. Look for the ones with high asset values, low cost production. Those are the ones you can make money on.